The Friendly Rabbit. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a small rabbit named Ben. He was very kind and loved to make new friends. Every day, he hopped around, looking for someone to talk to. One sunny morning, as Ben was exploring, he saw a friendly bluebird named Bella perched on a tree branch. He waved and said, "Hello, Bella. Would you like to be my friend?" Bella chirped happily and replied, "Of course, Ben. I'd love to be your friend." They spent the whole day together, playing games and sharing stories. As the sun set, they promised to meet again the next day. The following morning, Ben met a wise turtle named Tim. He invited Tim to join them, and soon, the three became the best of friends. As days passed, more animals joined their group: Sammy the squirrel, Lily the deer, and even Robbie the mischievous raccoon. They all laughed and had fun together. One day, the forest faced a big problem when a wildfire started. The animals were scared and didn't know what to do. But with Ben's quick thinking and Bella's bird's-eye view, they led everyone to safety. The forest was saved, and the animals were grateful for Ben's bravery and friendship. From that day on, the forest became a happier place, thanks to Ben and his new friends. They all lived happily together, helping one another and cherishing their friendship forever. And so, the story of the friendly rabbit and his amazing friends became famous all around the forest, inspiring everyone to be kind, helpful, and loving to one another. The Lost Kitten. Once upon a time, in a small town, a little girl named Lily found a tiny, fluffy kitten on her way home from school. The kitten looked scared and lost. Lily felt a warm feeling in her heart and decided to take the kitten home. At home, Lily named the kitten Whiskers. She fed Whiskers and gave her a cozy bed to sleep in. They quickly became best friends. The next day, Lily noticed a poster in her neighborhood about a missing kitten. The picture on the poster looked exactly like Whiskers. Lily knew she had to help. She decided to find the kitten's owner, so she took Whiskers on a little adventure. They followed the directions on the poster and found the address. When they arrived, a kind lady opened the door, tears streaming down her face. Lily showed her Whiskers, and the lady's face lit up with joy. The lady explained that Whiskers had accidentally escaped, and she had been searching everywhere. She thanked Lily for being so caring and finding her precious kitten. Though it was tough for Lily to say goodbye, she knew it was the right thing to do. Whiskers belonged with her real owner, who loved her dearly. Lily returned home with a mixture of happiness and sadness. But she knew that she had made a difference in Whiskers' life and had learned the value of kindness and helping others. From that day on, Lily kept a picture of Whiskers, and they remained friends in her heart. She knew she had a special place in her heart for all animals, and she promised to be a good friend to everyone she met. And so, the Lost Kitten story taught Lily and everyone in the town a valuable lesson about compassion, friendship, and the joy of helping others. Tim and Sparkle help villagers. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a curious boy named Tim. Tim loved exploring and learning new things every day. One sunny morning, as he wandered through the forest, he stumbled upon a mysterious cave. Feeling brave, he entered the dark cave, guided only by a faint glimmer of light. Inside, he found a friendly dragon named Sparkle. Surprised and scared at first, Tim soon realized that Sparkle was gentle and kind. Tim and Sparkle became fast friends. They spent their days playing games, sharing stories, and teaching each other new skills. Tim learned how to fly on Sparkle's back, and Sparkle learned to speak a few words in Tim's language. One day, as Tim and Sparkle were exploring a hidden meadow, they noticed some villagers in trouble. A big storm was coming, and the river was overflowing. Tim and Sparkle quickly rushed to help. With Sparkle's strong wings and Tim's quick thinking, they rescued the villagers and brought them to safety. The villagers were amazed and grateful for their bravery. From that day on, Tim and Sparkle were hailed as heroes in the village. They continued to learn and grow together, helping others and spreading joy wherever they went. And so, the adventures of Tim and Sparkle the dragon became famous far and wide, inspiring people to be brave, kind, and always eager to learn something new. The end.